Hello, Sheila, back again. Today I'm going to show you another second-hand motorhome. Today we have our 2020 Swift Kon-Tiki Sport 584. Now this one has 1,635 miles on it. It's 7.77 meters in length, and come on, I'll show you the rest. Now of course it has its factory-fitted alloy wheels that come standard with the motorhome. This also comes with a gas flow system just in here. Up above you have your full length awning and your awning light, and up on the roof you also have a solar panel built in as well. Down here you have some outside storage, and on the back you have a Fiamma storage locker as well. Then up above you have your reverse camera also. Let's go take a look inside. So this is now the inside of the motorhome. You'll see above me is a huge skylight to really bring in more light into the vehicle. Up front here, of course, you have your reverse camera here connected to where your wing mirror would be. That's not a wing mirror. So we're inside the motorhome now. Of course, you'll see the huge skylight above me, really to bring in more light into the vehicle. Up front, firstly you have your reverse camera. I showed you on the outside. This is where it's positioned on the inside. You have your DAB radio system, you have your aircon, your USB ports, you have additional ones down below. This is a manual 6-gear speed. Over on your steering wheel, that's a multi-functioning Bluetooth steering wheel. Of course you have your cruise control, your speed limiter, and of course in this style you have your Remus blinds that come across the front and the side doors as well. So this is the main living area of the motorhome. You will see my cheat sheets. I don't know the ins and outs. I want to get everything right for you. Firstly, you have your TV bracket here in the living area. This of course makes up the first and second berth. There is a freestanding table, and I'll show you where that's located later, but it just slots in there. Now on back here you come to your kitchen area. Of course you have your full domestic fridge here. And that opens on either end. I just said domestic, it's a Dometic fridge. Someone's going to comment and let me know. You of course have your microwave up on the top, your 3 gas hob and your electric hot plate down here, and your separate oven and grill as well. Now there is a ton of storage in this motorhome, as you'll see. That's your kitchen cupboards, you have your storage here, your under counter storage. Really good job with storage in this motorhome. So in here is your transverse bed area, and that makes up the third and the fourth berth. Of course you have a privacy screen that comes across. It's just tucked in here. You have a ton of storage space here, cupboard space, and a lovely dressing area as such. Again, there's 12-volt plugs in here and additional USB ports, as well as your drawer space as well. Now, there is another TV bracket. It's just up behind me here. And you'll see all the storage across here as well. There's more storage under this bed, and it's so simple. You just pick it up here and up it goes. And that's where your freestanding table lives as well. You'll also see removable carpets that come with the vehicle also in there. And then as simple as that, you just pop it back down again. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So there we have it, our 2020 Swift Kon-Tiki Sport 584. If you'd like to know any more information about this vehicle, You can contact me with the text over here. If you want to know how the bed is made up, not a problem. If you'd like to see any other vehicles, please let me know. You can contact me with the text, or you can comment below the video and I'll be picking them up as well. See you in the next video.